In a universe brimming with endless possibilities lies a secret so profound, it challenges the very fabric of reality. It is a realm where the boundaries of space and time blur, where alternate versions of you exist in countless dimensions. This forms the fundamental principle underlying the concept of quantum jumping, an extraordinary concept that unveils an infinite cosmos, teeming with alternate realities, each inhabited by different incarnations of yourself. What if you could traverse these cosmic frontiers, engage with these diverse selves, and glean their unique wisdom, skills, and experiences? Imagine harnessing this collective knowledge to reshape your present, to manifest desires once thought unattainable, to embark on a voyage beyond the known, an expedition across parallel universes, a quest to connect with the myriad versions of you. Prepare to embark on an adventure that transcends the ordinary, where the impossible becomes reality. Quantum jumping. A key to unlock mysteries, a bridge to your greatest potential, a gateway to a universe of untapped possibilities. Are you ready to explore what lies beyond? Quantum jumping is a powerful manifestation technique that has been popularized by Burt Goldman, also known as the American monk. This technique is no ordinary mental exercise but a way to tap into the boundless possibilities of the universe itself. Burt Goldman, a spiritual coach and mind power expert, has dedicated his life to helping people manifest their best selves. His teachings have enlightened countless individuals, guiding them towards a path of self-discovery and empowerment. His work with quantum jumping has not only brought this concept to light, but also made it accessible and practical for everyday use. So, what is quantum jumping? It is an advanced mental visualization technique, a journey into your potential, leveraging the concept of multiple universes and alternate versions of oneself. It's like flipping through the pages of a cosmic book, each page representing a different version of you, each with unique skills, experiences, and wisdom. In contrast to common visualization methods, quantum jumping doesn't merely involve imagining a desired outcome. Instead, it takes you on an adventurous mental journey to meet your alternate selves in different universes. You interact, learn from them, and bring back their knowledge and experiences to your present reality. This technique is about shifting your reality, unleashing your full potential, and transforming your life from the inside out. It's about exploring the endless possibilities that lie within you and around you. It's about realizing that you are not just a drop in the ocean, but the entire ocean in a drop. Quantum jumping stands apart from other visualization techniques, offering a unique approach to personal development. It's not just about seeing what you want, but about becoming who you want. It's about transcending the limitations of the physical world and diving into a realm of infinite potential. It's not just a technique, it's a journey into your potential. Quantum jumping differs significantly from traditional visualization. It is an advanced mental visualization technique that employs the theory of multiple universes and alternate versions of oneself. It's like a mental leap into a parallel universe where you interact with an alternate version of yourself, a version that has already mastered the skills or achieved the experiences you desire. You then absorb those skills and experiences, returning to your present reality with new knowledge and a fresh perspective. Now you might be wondering, isn't this basically creative visualization? Well, not quite. While both techniques involve visualization, the key difference lies in their approach. Creative visualization is a process where you imagine your goals and aspirations, creating a vivid mental picture of your desired outcome. It's like painting a picture in your mind of what you want to achieve or become. Quantum jumping, on the other hand, takes this a step further. It doesn't stop at merely visualizing the goal. Instead, it involves visualizing an alternate universe where you have already achieved that goal. You're not just picturing the finish line, but actually stepping into the shoes of your victorious self who's crossed it. So as you can see, quantum jumping isn't just about visualizing your goals. It's about accessing alternate versions of yourself to bring those goals to reality. It's a journey of self-discovery and manifestation, using the power of your mind to tap into the limitless potential of the multiverse. Quantum jumping, at its core, is a journey beyond the ordinary into the extraordinary realms of possibility. Let's delve into the mechanics of how this fascinating process operates. Burt Goldman outlines a step-by-step approach to quantum jumping. To start, you need to be in a relaxed state of mind. You can achieve this by meditating or engaging in deep breathing exercises. Once you've achieved this calm, you're ready to start your quantum jump. Next, you visualize yourself jumping into an alternate universe. This isn't just any leap. You're leaping into a world where another version of you exists. A version that has mastered the skills and experiences you desire. You're not just imagining this person, you're seeing them, talking to them, and most importantly, learning from them. The third step is the most critical. You interact with this alternate version of yourself. Ask them questions, seek their advice, learn from their experiences. Remember, this is a version of you who has already achieved your goals. They have the wisdom and knowledge you need. After this interaction, you then visualize yourself absorbing all their knowledge and experiences. It's like downloading a new software into your computer. Only this time you're downloading new skills, abilities, and experiences into your mind. Finally, you return to your present reality. But you're not the same person anymore. You're a better version of yourself, equipped with the knowledge and experiences of your alternate self. You then incorporate these lessons into your life, using them to manifest your goals and improve your life. With quantum jumping, you're not just dreaming about a better version of yourself, you're actively engaging with it. This is the power of quantum jumping. It's more than just a mental exercise, it's a journey into your potential, a journey into the best version of you. Quantum jumping offers a unique path to self-improvement. It's a journey worth exploring. This advanced mental visualization technique opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to tap into the full breadth of your potential. It's more than just a tool for manifestation. It's a gateway to alternate universes, to alternate versions of yourself. You can absorb knowledge and experiences from these versions, harnessing their skills to improve your present reality. Burt Goldman, the American monk, has shown us the way. His teachings illuminate the path to skill mastery, abundance, ideal health, healthy relationships, and career growth. But the journey doesn't stop there. With quantum jumping, there's always more to discover, more to learn, more to become. So why not take that leap? Why not dive into the limitless potential that lies within you? Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. Continue your exploration into quantum jumping and unlock the potential within you.